In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Now, another interesting thing that US import, and the US import 123 billion, spending 123 billion to import this particular item, is different instruments. Different instruments. Now, medical instrument, US is spending 28.3% of the 123 billion spent to import different instruments. 23.8% is for only medical instruments. So if you're into medical instruments, here is a big market for you in the US. Orthopedic appliances, 11.5%. Chemical analysis and instrument, 6.1%. For chemical analysis instrument, 6.1%. Thermostat, 5.53%. Other measuring instrument, 5.46%. Therapeutic appliances, 4.81%. Then optical fibers, 3.1%. Base metal watches, 2.92%. LCD, different kind of liquid crystal display, 2.82%. Oscilloscope, 3.92% of the 123 billion. Eyewear, like eyeglasses, 2.48%. Precious metal watches, 1.44%. Revolution counters, 1.43%. Mirror and lenses, 1.35%. X-ray equipment, 3.71%. Gas and liquid flow measuring equipment, 3.323%. Utility meters, 1.21%. Survey equipment, 1.19%. Eyewear frames, frame of glasses, 0.95%. Mirror and lenses, 1.35% of the 123 billion. Now, when you look at it, you notice US is spending $123 billion importing different kind of instruments. So if you are into production of different kind of instruments, this might be something you want to consider.